Healthcare is a complex business. We deliver it across multiple locations, often geographically distant, with lots of staff, and it turns out that how we treat each other really matters, no matter our position in an organisation. When we treat each other with respect, we help people to be the best versions of themselves, and when individuals are the best versions of themselves, we have the best outcomes for both staff and patients. When we talk about how we treat each other, some of this is actually measurable. If, for example, somebody is mild to moderately rude to us, our bandwidth, our cognitive abilities are reduced by on average 61%. And what that means is that we don't perform at the level that we are capable of because our bandwidth is being taken up. And that just seems daft. When we treat each other with respect, we give people the chance to use the whole of their brain and to come up with the best answers. And we pretty much need that all the time. Civility saves lives.